Not blurry leaks, not whispers, hard regulatory proof. Fresh FCC filings confirm it exists, separate from the standard Pocket 4, and cleared for the US. That means launch season is close. The documents reveal a new model code, Osmo Pocket 4P. That P, it's not random. DJI uses it to mark professional models, just like with their drones and gimbals. This is a full-on pro device, not a minor refresh. Rumors suggest a dual lens system. If true, that's huge. Creators could switch perspectives without moving the camera. Wide or tight framing, all in a device that fits in your pocket. Imagine the cinematic control packed into something handheld. The FCC filings also hint at a stronger internal system. Built-in display, refined software, higher voltage battery. All signs point to a device ready for heavy creative workloads, stabilization, better low-light performance, higher video quality, and advanced shooting modes. And timing? The Pocket 4 Pro got its FCC approval in December 2025. DJI can launch anytime. Their history shows approvals usually mean a reveal is just weeks away. Who is this for? The Pro label says it all. Serious creators, vloggers, travel filmmakers, anyone who wants professional results without hauling a full rig. Now, step from your pocket to the sky. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has arrived. Triple cameras, longer flight time, smarter obstacle avoidance, better signal range. Aerial content has never been this versatile. Multiple focal lengths mean less repositioning, more creative freedom. The camera feels like a professional ground rig in the sky. Flight is stable. Controls are predictable. Obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight systems reduce stress so creators can focus on storytelling, not corrections. Yes, it's expensive, but it's aimed at professionals who rely on it for work. Reliability, image quality, and versatility justify the price. The bigger picture? DJI is building for creators who demand more. Pocket 4 Pro delivers portability without compromise. Mavic 4 Pro delivers aerial dominance. Standard models serve casual users, Pro models push the boundaries. And the exciting part? Both show where DJI is heading: smaller, smarter, and more powerful tools for creators. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you upgrade to the Pocket 4 Pro? Or stick with the standard? And is the Mavic 4 Pro worth its premium price? Let me know in the comments.